Kpcutie with another video. Today I'm going to explain to you guys a little bit what I'm going to do for Vlogmas. Yes, Vlogmas. I can't wait till it's here because that's the day and year my birthday comes and I get to celebrate, enjoy life. So before I get into this video quick, let's do a little outfit of the day and the role of the day, since it's kind of like a vlog slash explain, talk to me, you know, all that stuff. So, first things first, outfit of the day. Don't mind my thing right now, but here's my outfit of the day. I'm wearing a cute crop top, my like knitted crop top. I'm also wearing me some, what's it called? Camouflage pants. I think these could go together, especially I think these would pair nice combat boots. But right now I'm at home, so I'm chilling. So I just throw something on real quick and like boom, boom, and like ooh, it's matching. So I really like it. But also, I'm going to switch you back over to the role of the day. Hey kitties, here's the role of the day. Can't wait for this. Read you. Sometimes see it my way. Sometimes see it my way. Sometimes you gotta let people know how from your perspective about things, about a situation or something like that. Like say they need to see it from a positive point of view instead of always a negative point of view. So see it my way. Like see it for the goodness it is instead of always the bad, you know? So that's why I think this is what it says. But that was the role of the day. See it my way. So apply it to your life daily. And let's get into this explanation real quick. Okay, kitties, so I'm so excited. I'm so excited to tell you guys. I'm gonna be doing, drum roll please, Vlogmas. I'm so excited. Can't wait to do Vlogmas. So basically, guys, what I'm doing for Vlogmas is I'm going to be doing like a lot of things. Like I'm gonna be doing things I haven't done before on this channel. I'm gonna be doing things that's gonna shock your pants off.
What? Child. Anyway, so.
Or shook you to your core or some stuff like that. I'm gonna be doing like a lot of things. I'm gonna be doing more DIYs, hair tutorials, outfit DIYs, how to set up your own outfits. I'm even vlogging my birthday, so I'm vlogging from the days leading up to it, on the day of it. And let me tell you guys, there's a lot in store for you guys about that part, because my birthday, I'm so excited because I'm fully unaware of much of stuff. That was my mom. But I'm gonna be doing like a lot of things, like, okay, oh, what was I saying? Yeah, you're doing this. Oh, Dad broke my thing. I just broke my desk. Yeah, that's another thing I'm also telling you guys I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be doing, oh, I don't want to tell you guys everything. I'm gonna tell you guys a little bit. I'm gonna tell you that I'm gonna be vlogging my birthday. You know that for sure, because it's my birthday month. I've been telling you guys since the day I've been recording. My birthday's coming up. I can't wait to record that. I'm gonna record my every single thing I can think of my birthday that has something to do with it. I'm gonna be recording that. But also want to, let's see, the DIYs of my outfits and stuff. I'll link all of that, or not outfits, but DIYs of my room decor. I'll link the person, the fabulous interior designer that I had hired to do my things. I'm gonna link her pins or DIYs down below. I'm gonna be doing that. I'm gonna be doing a lot of crazy stuff. Like this year, I'm gonna turn it up a bit, like, cause this year is gonna be super duper lit and fun. It's gonna be, I'm gonna search on my channel for that. There's a first for everything. That's why I say there's a first for everything. So I'm gonna be doing that. I'm also gonna be doing like a lot of what else? I said I'm gonna be doing DIYs, and also gonna be doing what else? Vlogmas, my birthday. I know that for sure. I'm so excited. I'm really excited for my birthday. I can't help it, guys, because my birthday's at the end of, well, yeah, at the end of the year. My birthday's on December. So you guys don't know, I've been like wanting this party forever. All I gave them idea was the theme and what I wanted, and they had to plan from there. So I don't really know much what they're doing. I just gave them the theme and let it go from there. So I'm so excited. But also for Vlogmas, I'm gonna be doing like a lot of stuff. I mean, of course, obviously, I'm gonna be doing vlogs. And also when I'm doing vlogs, I'm gonna be vlogging like everything. So pretty much, I'm just gonna be like chill type stuff. I'm gonna be vlogging about my life, my birthday, vlogging about DIYs and stuff.
What's up, guys?
What's up? This that was my sister. Yeah, she's always coming in my videos. I don't mind that. She can come in my videos anytime she wants. I don't care. I have my stuff. Oh, I can't tell you about that. But I'm gonna be doing like a lot. I'm gonna be. You guys just stay tuned on my channel. I'm gonna tell you all what I'm gonna do. I don't want you guys to know everything because y'all might start taking some of my stuff, and I want y'all to be a surprise of what I have in store for you guys all the way throughout December. Just so you know, you're gonna be shocked and happy, and you'll be like, oh my gosh. And also, I'm gonna have to take my hair down. Yeah, cause my hair's starting to like come. Yeah, your girl's gonna need to take her hair down. I don't want to do that. But yeah, I'll be rearranging my room. I'll be doing vlogmas of my birthday. I'll be doing regular vlogs. I'll do my DIYs. You'll see. I'm not gonna tell you everything. But yeah, oh, you guys wonder what on my bed? Yeah, that was from my other video. You're about to see my vlogmas, so stay tuned. Vlogmas, you'll see. And also, if you want to see more of my old vlogmas, I still have it posted on my channel. So in my playlist section, there's the name of it, DIY Vlogmas. There you can go check out that. Check out my old previous vlogmas where I did DIY there. So you can always check those out if you want to feel more. It's holiday theme, because baby, you're gonna be happy when you're gonna see my channel, because I'm gonna do everything I really wanted to do. I always wanted to do a lot of the stuff that I was pinned, but I can't tell you all of it. It's gonna be special. I'm so excited. I'm so nut. I'm really excited. I'm about to shake out. I'm shaking. I'm so excited for what's going to store. I'm not telling you guys everything. I know you guys sick of me saying I'm not telling you everything. I'm not gonna tell you this. I'm not gonna tell you that. Listen, you're better off being surprised than knowing what everything you're about to see, because it's better. It's more like unwrapping a gift and you're like, whoa, I want to know what's in this. And then when you open it, you be like, oh, what? I didn't expect this. And that's what I want you guys to feel. You're going to be like, oh, like you open a present. So that's what I'm going to be doing for Vlogmas. And also, guys, I'm also be doing more of my DIY outfits, my rolls of the day, my outfit of the day too. And also, I'm gonna be doing a lot of stuff. I might be doing some stuff that you guys are like, what? She's on this out? I've been growing. I want to show you guys this real quick. Since I want to say, I've been had this at least 2 months now. 2 months. I had this beautiful spire plant, and look at it. Look how big it grew. This was before it was down this size right here, but now it's whoa, it grew. So excited. I'm a good houseplant mama. Yes, I am. I used to, not gonna lie, I did used to kill all my plants before, but I grew a tomato tree in a fire pit. Not only did that, what else I grew? I grew a lot of things, but then some of them died because I accidentally did too much of them. Yeah, you girls team too much all the time, so too much is my middle name, just so you know. So that. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below of which part of the video you guys want me to do. You want me to tell you about everything that I'm going to do. And don't forget to hit the little bell to be notified when I post a video. And I'll see you guys next video. Bye, cuties. Cutie out. I'm so excited. Can't wait for Vlogmas.